Okay, so customer had a problem with it coughing and not idling right and running rough. We changed the manifold gaskets. We changed the seal around the carburetor. And judging from how dry the old manifold gaskets were, he should notice a huge difference in the performance of his bike. The engine won't run as hot because he's not sucking in air from another source, and it'll run a lot better. So after we got the seat and everything on, we checked the charging system while we were there and started up the bike. His charging system's working. His battery had a good charge on it. We did an overall on the bike, which is what you should always do. Check your running lights, your turn signals, your high and low beam, your brake lights on the hand lever and the foot lever. And he had all around, bike's in good shape, and it's going to run a lot better now with these new seals in it. All right, good. Well, I'm sure you'll be really happy with it. And if you're not comfortable with doing it yourself, bring it on down to the Ride Factory, Ybor City, and we'll get her hooked up for you. All righty, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.